I was not able to spot mid-career stagnation until this happened. I probably spotted my own mid-career stagnation in 2015 while in the UK. I was then working for a leading services firm and managing quite large-scale IT programs in the utility industry. As you all know, utilities is a regulated industry, so working as a senior manager in such an industry is very complex. My work mainly dealt with managing investment and getting them approved as programs for the design and startup phase. I also delivered mandates along with a very senior team of architects and lead business analysts, and the programs had near real time reporting along with data processing scope. My life for 6 years in the UK was very predictable. I took a daily train towards the London Waterloo and met almost the same set of people who worked at the same office. Most of the time in the commute, I would talk with other colleagues about visa and weekend plans. There was nothing new left in my personal and professional life to talk about. All my weekends were planning groceries and paying bills. I sort of followed this cycle for 4 odd years, and somewhere I had accepted this as a part of my life without taking any effort to change it. All of this changed for the first time during a Christmas holiday break. It was then I took a pause and an act. I paused running in loop my life to pursue a short internet course on Python and OpenCV over one of the Christmas holidays. The course was online, but it was different from the enterprise technology I understood. It opened me to the magic of open source work, which in the previous decade was limited to desktop apps and computing. I was doing face and facial identification using Python and OpenCV, and this stuff made me really happy. That was in 2015, and then I started using my weekends diligently building Python application, mostly using electronics like Raspberry Pi, and kept experimenting with web cameras and OpenCV. One thing led to another, and there came a stage where I was not able to do advanced vision-based analytics without machine learning, and I ended up learning machine learning through self projects and using codes from GitHub. What I suggest now, looking back, is pause. Yes, pause your professional life for a week. Take a leave and do some introspection. This worked for me when I decided to pause in one of the Christmas holidays, and I paused the below. Point number one, I took a pause from mindless New Year shopping and sales. Point number two, I took a pause from flying back to India during the New Year and being part of the mad rush everywhere. Point three, I paused and I did nothing for a week but take notes on my own feelings in a notebook. Point number four, I paused and took action to do a hobby project. It was fun project to detect a yellow tennis ball using an external webcam and Python. Point number five, I paused and I took kickboxing lessons at a nearby sports gym. Working project to project did not help me beyond a certain stage, and I think you can too pause and take some action to introspect and see what else can be done. At the end of the day, all of our judgment at this stage may be different, but the key is to pause and then act. If you like this video, then feel free to share it with your WhatsApp group and connection. Give it a like, share and subscribe, as it motivates me to create such more contents for you. Thank you so much, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.